Welcome. This course is all about building an extreme gaming PC and gaining the confidence and inspiration to create your very own enthusiast's build. Introducing Intel's Big Daddy processor. This course features the 9th generation Coffee Lake processor, not for the faint-hearted, but for users who demand the very best. This Intel i9 system comes with top-of-the-line hardware, synonymous with extreme PCs. Top Asus Maximus 11 Hero motherboard. Top RTX 2080 GPU. Top Asus Thor PSU. Top RGB RAM and a top-of-the-line Corsair case. All this makes for an ideal video editing or a 3D rendering or quantum mechanical physics or of course a gaming PC. Whatever it is you need, this system is extreme. My name is Bruce and I'll be leading you through the course. I have over 20,000 students and I have over 25 years in the IT industry, both as a software developer and also computer systems builder. By the end of this course, you will have the confidence and the creativity to build your own enthusiast's machine. I walk you through every step of the way. I even introduced overclocking and how to get this amazing CPU, the Intel i9 processor, up to 5 GHz. So join me on this quest for an enthusiast build. The rewards are yours, a machine that's untouchable.